guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. I have here behind me, this is the first time I've seen one in person. This is the GT version of the 22 WRX, which is like the god tier, best of the best of the best. The only thing is it's in the CVT transmission, which I don't prefer, but if it has a manual, before we tell you what he's doing, I just want to show the interior. Dude, check out these seats right here. This is the Recaro seats. They only come in this option. They're super, oh my God, looks beautiful, man. I think we should take it and put it in our car. Just kidding. But it's really sick. You can only get in the GT option. Obviously the steering is automatic, and then it has some really cool lights. Like if you turn on the headlights, it has like, you know, like kind of like Audi, they pan to the left and pan to the right, which is super awesome. Aside from that, oh, they have the backup camera sensors, which is super nice. This one came with the vortex generator on the top, and then I believe the wheels are a different color. There's like matte gunmetal finish compared to the gloss on the standard one. Other than that, the suspension is obviously different. Other than that, yeah, it's pretty much. So customers here to drop off, he's doing the whole shebang. Just like Dre's car, he's doing the rear bumper color match with the gloss black finish, and then he's doing the side skirts color match, World Rally blue. SCI wing version 1 color match blue. Side skirts done that. Flares obviously color match, and the front bumper gloss black. This can look pretty sick. Now this is our first GT that we worked on, so pretty excited. And then we're gonna tear this down for you guys. Let's see the final results later. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So right behind me, we have the gloss black. Okay, we painted all the cladding, all the gloss black on the matte black on the front lower bumper. And we have the color match side skirts, color match flares, rear bumper with the gloss black. And then we have the version 2 SCI wing. It was in gloss black, so I painted it in color match as well. So we're gonna get this whole thing installed today and then show you guys the transformation. I'm very excited because I haven't worked on a blue full kit. We did a bunch of blue fender flares, but those guys gonna be asking me how much it's gonna be to get this done. For the whole kit, you're looking around $3,500 excluding wing. The price might seem heavy, but we do spend at least 4 to 5 days just to sand alone, okay? That's labor time only. Because a lot of shops, if you don't sand properly, you're gonna over sand and you're gonna create a hole, and versus the other side, you know? So that's that. So if you're interested, link is in the bio. You can ship your parts, bumpers over to us, or you can get a quote from us, doesn't matter. So we'll go ahead and get this installed today, and after install, we're gonna take the shop, we're gonna take the car to Ely Wraps, and Kevin's gonna install the new version 2 wing, and then oh, by the way, version 2, version 1, it's the same thing, okay? Version 2 is made overseas, so the cost is a little bit less than a version 1 that's made in-house. Aside from that, and then we're gonna take the car to our body shop to get it fully detailed and ready for the customer's reaction tomorrow, because he's been waiting a long time. I'm pretty sure he's very excited for this. And we have another World Rally blue here for just fender flares and STI wing and aero kit. And then RBB in the back and Dre's car. So we're turning into like a VB dealership. Oh, by the way, I'm hosting a VB car meet, okay, in SoCal. So stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram. All right, guys, let's get started. I already showed you guys how to put this back a million times, but just enjoy these B-rolls coming up. I'm gonna do a quick comparison. So this is a completely stock World Rally blue, and then this is the fully color match World Rally blue, minus the grill. Customer did. Oh my God. Customer don't even need the gloss black anymore. He didn't want the gloss black, so he didn't choose the gloss black grill. So you can see the front, the car's a little dirty, so he can get polished. Matte cladding versus gloss black, and cladding, fender flare side skirts, and then I guess the most big difference for me is the rear bumper. You can see the rear gloss black and the bumper done. I think it makes a tremendous difference. But our photographer is gonna head to Ely Wraps to get the wing installed, and I'll see you guys later. Let's see when it's fully complete. Okay, bye. Alright guys, I got my mic back. As you can see yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. Yeah. My mic died. But our photographer forgot to charge it, you know. Shout out to him for not charging the mic. Anyways, Kevin at Ely Wraps finished putting our new V2 wing on. So for those asking that the question of V2, V1, so V2 is made overseas, painted overseas, and then the price difference is half because everything's done overseas. Our version 1, which is right here, see all these? Show on the camera. Version 1, these all we paint in-house, okay? Everything we do ourselves. The paint is expensive, but the quality is good. Look at this. So these are all going out to the customers. I think we have like 10 more in the back over there. Anyway, so yeah, so V2 Bing, if you pre-order, it's shipping out end of November, early December, give or take. I don't know the exact same time. But yeah, the car looks pretty much done. So I think this should come from the factory, maybe minus, or let me rephrase that. This could have been the 22 STI, potentially, if they do the color match. Obviously, you need Brembos and whatnot. But this is a GT model, looks super good. I think the final production, after we finish it, looks pretty good. I made a comment every on Reddit, people asking what they think. A lot of people love it, a lot of people hate it. A lot of people like the cladding. I personally, I'm okay with the cladding, but I do, you know, prefer it, you know, with the mods. Sorry, I do prefer it with the painting. I do like it, prefer it with the cladding. But also another thing is this car is on stock suspension and stock wheels. So imagine you lower it, put some T's on it, put some gram lights, whatever, 18.5, 18 by 10, the car would look fresh. But yeah, other than that, I'm waiting for the customer to come pick up his car. If you're interested in this full kit, hit the link below, or you can call us. You can call me. I'll take care of you. All right, guys. So I want to get up close so I'm gonna show you guys the perfect paint match on the WRB Blue. So as you guys know, okay, white and silver is super hard to match. You can never blend those 100%, match 100% because the plastic and metal bonds differently. I had to tell a couple of customers that order a wing or so, they have a color match issue, but I told them white, you just can't. So in the future, if you order white, make sure give us a call. If you have questions, we'll try to explain to you why the white don't bond well. But leave the blue, it's 100% match. Beautiful gloss black, beautiful side skirts, color match, flares, wing, rear bumper, phenomenal. Yeah, I think that's it. And then we have this one right here, leaving next week. So he just dropped it off just for the flares and the STI wing. So, all right, guys, I think, what are you doing, bro? I think that's it. Oh, also, I sold the Tomei, by the way. Tomei is going to a customer of ours in New York, so he's very excited for that. We are building our own single exit titanium and dual axle back cap back. Does that make sense? Dual axle back cap back? But anyway, so stay tuned for that. It'll be ready about like a month or two. So very excited for that. And then I've been talking about changing the lights. I'm gonna change the lights next week, okay? So I'm gonna prepare, get some light bulbs and transfer some LED and whatnot. And then, also, last thing, and I said like last thing like 5 times already. We're getting another set of wheels. A new size I'm gonna test fit with a wider tire, slightly less offset, and then our neochrome lug nuts coming back, so very excited for that. But yeah, that's it. Let me know if you guys like the blue transformation. I personally like it a lot. I just need a little bit lower and a drop and some wheels and maybe the black grill and the Aero kit. It's missing the Aero kit to be honest, but other than that, I think it looks great. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. I forgot I waxed my hair today. You know, one of the followers, one of you guys asked me what kind of gel I use on my product. Yeah, man, natural cream, bro. I'm just kidding. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Catch you guys next time.